struggling with budgeting and forecasting and feel like your financial planning process is giving you more headaches than insights, then you are in the right place. My name is Dua, and I'm a projects manager for CPMView.
And my name is Sam, and I'm a junior consultant for CPMView. Welcome to this video where we will be sharing some of the signs that indicate that your financial planning process is far too complex.
Budgeting and forecasting are two crucial elements of the financial planning process. Forecasting in particular is extremely important as it is less static than budgets. Rolling periodic forecasts help you evaluate and adjust your prognosis and goals based on actual results and developments. So, let's dive into it. First sign is when too many people are involved in the financial planning process. It then becomes difficult to obtain useful insights and requires more effort and communication. Second sign, poor alignments between business and finance. For accurate financial planning, it is essential to have a good alignment between business and finance. If business and finance are not aligned, your business strategy becomes a burden, and your financial planning process becomes too complex. Third sign, too many data sources. Manually collecting and aggregating data from various sources makes your financial planning process unnecessarily complex. Automating the data collection process can save you a lot of time. 4. Countless Excel templates and files. Many organizations still use Excel for their financial planning, and every department sometimes may have its own Excel templates. This makes it difficult to insert data into your budgeting and forecasting tool, and it is challenging to manage versioning. 5. Too many manual work. CFOs often indicate that too much manual work is their biggest frustration. Gathering and modifying data for financial planning can become an inefficient and time-consuming process without a solid workflow or a clear overview.
Number 6, unreliable data. So inefficient data collection leads to unreliable data, making it difficult to make accurate decisions. Number 7, wrong strategic decisions. So accurate data and insights are vital for determining the strategic direction of your company. If your data is not timely, complete, or reliable, you risk making the wrong decisions that will have a negative impact on your company's performance. Number 8 is a bad work-life balance. So the budgeting process can be intense and time-consuming. It can take up to 3 months. Comparing actuals against the budget every month can lead to working overtime, which then has a negative impact on the work-life balance. So number 9, no added value. If your business controller spends most of his time crunching data, it makes his job less interesting and does not add value to your business. And finally, number 10, it's not attractive for new employees. So inefficient financial planning with a lot of manual work gives you a competitive disadvantage when it comes to attracting new talent. Investing in technology and automating your financial processes can help make your financial planning processes easier. So, for example, implementing a CPM solution can facilitate easy and reliable data gathering and processing. Automation will also make your organization more attractive to high potential employees who can generally add value to your business instead of spending hours of manual work combining financial data.
So, financial planning is a critical aspect of a successful business strategy, but it can often become overly complex due to various factors. By being aware of the signs, you can take steps towards both automation and simplification. With the right tools and processes in place, financial planning can become a valuable tool for making informed decisions and driving success to your business. So why wait? Take control of your financial planning today and start reaping the benefits of a streamlined and efficient process.
And if you need more information or assistance, you can get in touch.